that been. How to avoid sexually transmitted diseases. Adolescents comprise a must-have. The million people to get STDs every year. It is now extremely crucial for education programs to teach young people ways on how to avoid sexually transmitted diseases. This is also true for sexually active adults who may have multiple partners. We are getting into a new relationship though. Far from ideal for many people, abstinence is the only perfect way to avoid sexually transmitted diseases. Nevertheless, you can be sexually active and safe. Get vaccinated. You can get vaccinated for various types of sexually transmitted infections, such as hepatitis C, hepatitis B and HPV. Human papillomavirus, before any sexual exposure. Newborns can get vaccinated for hepatitis B, and 1-year-olds can get hepatitis A vaccination. Both are also recommended for male homosexuals and drug users. Ask for HPV. Young children ages 2 can get vaccinated for it. Men and women through age can also get vaccinated for HPV. 1. Get tested. Consider getting yourself and your partner tested for any STDs. Wait for the results before having any sexual intercourse. To take note that no lab test at the moment can verify if you have genital herpes. There is also no HPV screening test for men. To monogamy after getting tested. Consider staying in a long-term relationship, whether serious or casual, with only one partner. This is a reliable way of not contracting sexually transmitted diseases. Use protection using dental dams for oral sex, and condoms are very effective in preventing STDs. However, you need to use them correctly for the best protection. Don't use an oil-based lubricant like petroleum jelly with a dental dam or condom. 2. Always use a new dental dam or condom for each sexual act. Avoid using condoms manufactured using natural membranes, since this is not effective against preventing STDs. Lastly, though condoms do lessen your risk of getting most STDs, they are not that effective in protecting you from HPV or herpes. Note that other contraceptive methods that do not use any barrier, such as birth control pills or IUDs, don't protect you from STD. Needs avoid risky behaviors or habits. Abusing drugs or drinking alcohol excessively may put you in a situation wherein you take sexual risks. You might get into a sexual act with someone who has an STD, or get infected due to sharing drug needles. For male circumcision, studies have provided evidence that circumcision can reduce the risk of men getting infected with STDs by %. Circumcision can also prevent genital herpes and HPV from getting transmitted. Educating children. Sex education is a crucial factor in ensuring that young men and women know what to do before becoming sexually active. You may not be able to stop young people from getting into sex, but you can influence them to take preventative measures. Peer pressure may also come into play, so you can teach your children the risks involved with sex, and that it's okay, too weak for the right time to do it. With all the steps you can take on knowing how to avoid sexually transmitted diseases, you need not complicate your life with sexual health issues. Getting the know and stay protected beans.